Hello, my YouTubers. Thank you once again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. I'm bringing you another video on my creativity. I'm going to show you step by step on how I created this look on the back of this jacket. I had this custom made. It's 2 pieces, a top and a bottom, and you are going to see step by step on how I created the trimming around it. So you have to have your E6000 glue and a popsicle stick and also your trimming of choice. I chose sequence because I love the bling. And as you see here, I placed the glue down. Now I'm going around the perimeter with the trimming. And I am going to continue this until I finish. I am going to allow you guys to continue to watch the video, and I will be right back. Okay, I have finished placing the trimming around. If you have any loose thread or whatever, just add a little bit of E6000 glue so it can stay intact. And this is the finished look. And I am going to put E6000 on the back and spread it throughout and get it ready to be placed on the back of the jacket. And you spread it throughout however you choose to, and how much glue you need. You don't need a whole lot, but just spread it all the way through so everything can stick. You need to make sure that it's going to stick. Yes, spread. There you go, get it, girl. But yes, so here right now I placed it on the back of the jacket, and you find your choice of weight that you choose to put on the back. You can use your iron. You can use anything heavy. I have these weights because it's for my fabric when I start designing things. So these are my weights I have. I put these on the back. I'm trying to figure out which way is the best way. But make sure you get those corners before anything. But yeah. Now this is the bottom one. I did that one already, and after I finished the top, I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. So yeah, here is the finished look, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace and love.